Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to generate custom AI wallpapers on Android. If you want to generate custom AI wallpapers on your Android phone, so let's see how can you do this. First, you need to install a third-party application for this purpose. Open Play Store app, go to search, and here you just have to search for AI wallpapers. Just search for it, and here you just have to install one of these two applications. I'm going to install this one. Just tap on it, and then it will be installed on your phone. Now wait for installation, and after the installation you just have to tap on open to open the app, and here you can generate a custom AI wallpapers with the help of this app. So that's how you can generate custom AI wallpapers. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.